Hello, my name is Chad Lampton. I work in the cartridge engineering group here at Sun Hydraulics. Today I'll be going over the 6 modes of operation of Sun's embedded amplifier.
Turn on the handheld programmer with the embedded amplifier powered on. Scroll down using the down arrow until you see the parameter called Mode of Operation.
We start off in mode 1, which means it takes a command from 0 to 10 volts and that the enable function is not connected. We're ignoring the enable.
As we increase the voltage from 0 to 10 volts, the output of the amplifier changes proportionally. Mode 2 is the inverse of mode 1. So now 0 volts will give you full current output. So now as you increase the voltage from 0 to 10 volts, the valve will close.
10 volts gives you the minimum output current, and 0 volts gives you the maximum output current. Again, the enable is not connected.
The next mode is mode 3. In mode 3, you can sweep the input from 0 to 10 volts, but the enable function is now active. So as you sweep the input from 0 to 10 volts, the amplifier will do nothing unless the enable switch is turned on. If we switch the enable on, the amplifier will behave normally when you sweep from 0 to 10 volts. Turning off the enable will disable the output. Mode 4 is the same as mode 3 except it is inversed. So as we sweep the input from 0 to 10 volts will give us our minimum output and 0 volts will give us our maximum output. If the enable is turned off, you will disable the output. The next mode is mode 5. Mode 5 is a 3-speed mode called fast with an enable. It is no longer proportional. The 3 speeds are off, the minimum output current that you set, and the maximum output current that you set. The minimum is set so that it gives us about mid-stroke on the valve, and the maximum is set so that it gives us full stroke of the valve. In mode 5, if you hit the enable button, the amplifier will output the minimum output current. So now the valve has stroked to some position in relation to the minimum output current. The other input is full command, and when we say full command, we mean anything between 8 and 10 volts. So now that we have crossed the threshold of 8 volts, we are fully stroking the valve. If we turn off the enable, the valve will fully close. So, depending on your input of full command or enable, you have 3 speeds: off, minimum output current, and maximum output current. Mode 6 is the same as mode 5, except it is inversed. Mode 6 is called slow with an enable function. Turning on the enable gives you maximum output current, whereas in mode 5, it gave you minimum output current. The full command threshold is now from 2 to 10 volts, which gives you minimum output current. The 3 speeds again are off, minimum output current, and maximum output current. These are the 6 modes of operation that the embedded amplifier is capable of operating in.
Thank you for watching this short video. Be sure to watch our other instructional videos featuring Sun Hydraulics products. And as always, please visit us on the web at sunhydraulics.com.